Hi, loves. I'm Sammy from Sammy Rise, and my mission is simple. Rise with me. Happy to be here. Welcome. Together, we're on a journey of healing, self-discovery, and growth. Today, I want to talk about something really powerful, shadow work. If you've ever felt like there are hidden parts of yourself that hold you back, or emotions that push you away, but they keep resurfacing, then shadow work might be exactly what you need. What is shadow work, you ask? Shadow work is about shining light on the parts of ourselves we often keep hidden. The fears, insecurities, old wounds, and even the traits we've been taught to think are bad. For example, maybe you get jealous and instantly feel ashamed, or maybe you procrastinate and call yourself lazy. These aren't just random habits. They're actually cues pointing to deeper parts of your shadow that are asking for your attention. The shadow isn't your enemy, it's a teacher. Why does this matter? Well, let's talk about healing, wholeness, and authenticity. When we ignore the shadow, it controls us in ways we don't even notice until, it becomes unnoticeable. But when we face it with compassion, we start to reclaim our power. Healing doesn't mean becoming perfect. It means becoming whole. And that's how we rise, not by denying the dark or shoving it down, but by embracing it and learning from it and intertwining that dark into the light by giving those parts of us that are screaming for attention love. So, how to start shadow work? Well, there's journaling prompts, mindful observation, inner dialogue, and compassion practices, along with many other tools. But let's start with journaling. It's one of the most powerful ways to begin shadow work. For example, you can ask yourself, when was the last time I felt jealous, angry, or embarrassed? Instead of pushing it away, write about it. What was I really needing in that moment? Shadow work is about curiosity, not judgment. So how old was that version of you that was, say, being triggered in that moment? Can you name that? Can you name the emotions that arose? When was the last time, maybe not the last time, when was a time in your life, maybe when you were much younger, that made you feel that way? Or that would act like that, but you're no longer trying to. Naming it, writing about it, giving it love, giving that version of you love. The next time something stirs up a big reaction and you pause and ask, what part of me is this reminding me of? And that pause is where healing begins. Shadow work isn't something you finish in a weekend, trust me. It is a journey. Some days it feels heavy, but remember, you are not alone. And every step you take to face your shadow is a step towards rising in your fullest, truest self. It's one less layer that can't rise to the surface and scream at you anymore. You know, there's a lot of layers here that want to be seen, and they only really show when your body feels safe. So let's look at it in a perspective that, wow, my nervous system is actually calm enough, my body feels calm enough to reveal another part of itself that wants to be looked at, that wants to be honored, And it's asking for you to show it attention and care. Finally. Okay? Shadow work can feel daunting when there's a lot of layers, and it kind of calls you into yourself, and you don't have the energy, say, to see others or go outside as much, but that's okay. When this happens, honor you, take care of you, and know that your glow is on the other side of it, that your healing is worth it. You are worth it. Shadow work isn't something you finish quickly, like I said. It takes time. Give yourself patience and compassion and the space to do so. So, let's rise together. If this resonates with you, stay connected with me here at Sammy Rise. Your healing matters, and your light is waiting on the other side of your shadow. I love you. Thank you for being here. May this inspire a journaling prompt for you. Comment shadow work and I'll send you something. It'll be a surprise. It'll be a little gift from me to you. Appreciate you. Talk soon. And if you stayed until the end, give me a candle in the comments. And let me know if I can help you in any other way. Take care.